Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha, Creativemind Creations, and today I'm going to be showing you or sharing with you a package that I got today from Stephanie Summers. She hosted a swap in coffee, cake, and crafting in a group that we in on Facebook, run by Tiffany McGill at Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill here on YouTube. And so again, if you see other videos that we've done, because Tiffany is absent and she needs to bring her butt back. Tiff, come on now. Anyways, some of us have hosted some swaps, and this is one that Stephanie hosted. We were swapping wands. She had mentioned that she had got a wand and a swap, and she just loves them or whatever, so she wanted to do a collection. So she did a swap, and we all had to send out one swap. I mean, one wand. I sent her 4. I don't know how much she sent me because it's kind of packaged, but I'm going to be opening her package, what she sent to me, what I got today, and see what's inside. So I'm opening up the package, and I'm sorry guys, y'all see glare off this new mat because I did go and get some more contact paper, and they didn't have the kind I got before, so this got this shinier where the other one was matte. But anyway, so here is what she sent me, and oh, isn't that cute? This is kind of heavy. Okay, all right, send me a card. Let me see. Let me read it. Open it up. Oh, cute card. That's cute, cute, cute. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, you're welcome. Okay, this is the card that she sent me. Isn't that cute? I like that paper. I gotta get that die. I like that die. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it come packaged. And let's see. Oh, the bar already come off. We'll keep that. Let's see. So I'm gonna cut this off of here. Okay. Alrighty. So we've got goodies. And first we've got some light turquoise flatback sticky pearls. Isn't those pretty? I can always use pearls. And that's the one. So we'll get back to that. And this is a what is this? A magnetic notepad. Cute. I love notepads. You wouldn't believe how many of these I got. But I like this is cute. Look at that little owl. Thank you, Stephanie, for that. And then here is the one that she sent me. It looked like she did let me see, a cupcake wrapper, and one die, and another die, and another die, and then a rosette and a felt flower in the middle, a ribbon hanger from it. Isn't that pretty? That's her information on the back. Stephanie Summers, YouTube is Come2thecraftyside, and Instagram is also Come2thecraftyside. I like that stamp. Okay, and that is what you Stephanie sent me. Thank you, Stephanie. Now I gotta start making a collection because you done got me all hooked on these. These are 2 left that I didn't send her, but I made 6 and I sent her 4. So yeah, so I'm gonna put these in here. I'm gonna be making me some more of these. Thank you, Steph, for the wand and hosting the swap. So thanks guys for watching my channel. Y'all have a crafty day. Bye.